Saving with a purpose? Chumz helps you create and customize personal goals that fit your life, all while earning interest on your savings. Start by creating a goal. Choose from preset categories like emergency, travel, or even tech gadgets. You can also create your own custom goal. Give it a name, set your target amount, and even schedule reminders for when you want to contribute. Chumz offers two types of personal goals. Normal goals let you save and withdraw anytime. Choose from a locked goal for higher interest, locking your savings for a fixed period. The best part, there is no limit to the number of personal goals you can create. And before you start, commit to your goal. Chumz makes it official with a self-commitment message. Ready to start saving for your dreams? Open Chumz and create your personal goals today.